Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the 12 layout frame mockup in Photoshop. First, you want to have the layers panel open. If you don't see the layers panel, go to Window, Layers to bring it up. And then you want to double click on the thumbnail icon in the canvas layer for your desired canvas layout. You can just click the little arrows next to the canvas layouts to open up the different layouts. And then when you double click on the thumbnail icon in the layer that says Design hyphen, it'll open up the Smart Object for your desired canvas layout. You can just copy and paste your art right into the Smart Object. To do that, we'll go to File, Open to open up the art. And then select All, and then Edit, Copy, and we'll just click back on the Smart Object tab and go to Edit, Paste. And if you want to zoom out, you can just press Command minus on a Mac or Control minus on a PC. You may want to resize the design. To do that, we'll go to Edit, Free Transform. In newer versions of Photoshop, you can just click on one of the four corners and drag it in to make it smaller or out to make it larger. In older versions of Photoshop, you had to hold down the Shift key to keep the artwork proportional so it didn't get distorted. In newer versions, you want to not hold down the Shift key or else it will get distorted. Adobe recently changed this, so if you see it getting distorted when you're scaling it up or down, you just want to go to Edit, Undo, and then redo it doing the opposite of whatever it was you just did, whether that's holding down the Shift key or not holding it down. And when you're satisfied with that, just go to File, Save to save the Smart Object, and then you can just click on the little X to close the Smart Object, and we'll close the design too. And you see how it put the design right in the frame just like that. And then next, to go through the backgrounds, you just want to click this little box in the backgrounds layer, and that'll turn all the backgrounds on. If you click the little arrow in the backgrounds layer group, it'll expand that layer so you'll see all 6 backgrounds. And you can just click the eye icons in the layer groups to toggle through them and find the background you want to use. And then when you find the background you want to use, you can just save it by going to File, Save As. If you want to use this as a thumbnail online, like on Etsy or on another site, you want to save a JPEG version. If you'd like to keep an original with layers, you can also save a Photoshop copy too. Maybe rename it so you can have a Photoshop file for each design. Please let me know if you have any questions by messaging me at melissabmockups.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll get updates to future videos. This mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you and have a great night.